Basting even stitch. Basting even stitch we're using to baste two layers, like which require control. For example, it could be during the fitting, during construction of your garment. First we can do the knot. This is temporary stitch. We can keep our knot on even on face side, and 2 stitches 1/4 inch each. And again, I'm using symbol. Keep your material on the table. Hold with your hand. Make sure it's not tight. If you right-handed, do from right to left. If you left-handed, you can do from left to right. And do your even stitches. And the end, we can do the knot. I'm keeping my material on the table to avoid stretching, and in the end you can do the little knot. And cut the rest of the thread. This is our even basting stitch.